gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance.
First thing we're gonna do is clean up this corner. Basically, this right here is a bed sheet that used to be on my bed, but I don't use the top cover. So I used to take like all my project pictures or like studio pictures of my projects when they're finished, but I don't need that anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that down. Now it's time to deconstruct my seahorse. Oh, this is so sad. I worked so many hours on this. Isn't this not cool? I kind of want to keep it. Next is this. This took forever. We had to use X-Acto blades on like a foam board to like do this project, and it literally took so long.
I've made up my mind.
I think I'm going to keep this little guy just because he is small and it is clay. And I did take a very long time on this as well. This was also like my final project for the class, so I feel like it's a good kind of keepsake for my freshman year of college, since I didn't really keep anything that I worked on from my first 2 quarters. So now I don't know what to really work on next. I think I'm just gonna go through this and get rid of stuff that I used but I can't reuse, so like really old erasers and stuff like that, and just like old paints that are pretty much out. These drawers are full, and I'm definitely gonna be keeping some things for like next classes. Like I got a bunch of charcoal in my drawing kits, but we didn't even need them. And I have a hot glue gun that I can keep, some notebooks, and all my textbooks that I probably need to sell. So if you're a freshman, let me know what classes you're taking. Maybe I have some of the textbooks.
Over and over. Keep pressing rewind. But I'm getting older.
Okay, so I basically like went through all of these. These are just textbooks, and like I have a bunch of Polaroid pictures from my film class or project. I'm probably gonna just leave all of those here. Then I also kept my notebooks from my first whole year of just notes and stuff like that. But I went through all the drawers. These are all the things that I'm keeping. Now I'm not gonna bring all these to SCAD with me just because I don't need them, but I'm probably gonna bring this to SCAD with me and just maybe put a couple of the supplies in there. I have to go through all these. I just don't think I will need them, but I might keep them in case. And then I'm probably just gonna throw this away because it has ink wash all over it. So next I'm gonna go through this. This is a bunch of stuff that I use pretty much every class. I have flash drives that I don't need to throw away. And then I just have like a bunch of random stuff.
Every door, don't know who I'm looking for. And I've made up my mind. Over and over, I can't be everything you want me to be. I can't be everything you want me to be. Finally, I can see the light through the leaves, but it's all
from my second design class. It was color theory. I printed out 2 pictures of got Zac Efron and Ariana Grande, so I'll probably hang them on my wall or something. But this is what we have so far. This is everything that I'm gonna be like keeping. This is like a whole thing of Sculpey. So if you are taking design 3D, hit me up if you need more Sculpey because I definitely have a bunch. I'm gonna get rid of pretty much all this stuff right here. And I'll also probably keep the aluminum foil and put it in my kitchen. Now, I think I'm gonna clean everything up right here and then I'll tackle that stuff.
What comes from the ground now is returning. It's all the same sound, and my ears are burning. In some strange home, don't know who I'm working for.
gosh. Oh my gosh. I just forgot. In this corner, I have bags of art supplies that I haven't even touched. So, you know what that means. We're gonna have to go through all of it. But basically, what was over there, it was this bag inside of a bag inside of a bag. I found my pencil pouch that I lost. I took this with me in November when I went down to Savannah for a week, and it's full of like just pens, pencils, stuff I've been missing for a pretty long time. So now I know where those went. Brand new thing of the Fiber Castle, just grayscale pens, and a brand new thing of geometric stuff. I have already a bunch of these, so. And then this cutting board slash measuring thing, yeah, cutting that. And I also got this tracing paper. I don't know what this is, but I have all these bags. I really like that SCAD gives you these bags because like you can take your work in it and it's just very easy to shove everything in. So I think I'm gonna like take a couple of these with me to Savannah. Probably this like gigantic one and then maybe like a smaller one. Now I'm gonna really go through those. We need to grab some rubber bands because I have a lot of like loose pencils and pens and stuff like that. And yeah, and then I'll be ready to start moving things downstairs and getting this room back to normal. Okay, we didn't have rubber bands, so I'm using new hair ties. But I did find more art supplies downstairs. I divided it. I'm gonna take this with me to a road trip that I'm going on pretty soon. And then this is what I'm not taking with me. So the stuff that I'm taking with me, I'm gonna put in this 3 storage drawer. And then the rest, I'm just gonna put maybe in a bin.
I can't be everything you want me to be, finally.
Okay, so I was able to fit everything perfectly in here and with space to store other stuff, but I'm gonna put all this stuff away. These are the notebooks that I'm bringing with me. I have this palette paper, tracing paper, and also just some Bristol, and I still gotta go through those textbooks, but yeah, it's dark outside now.
I can see the light through the leaves, but it's all gone.
And the dumbest person alive, I basically packed up this entire thing, and I look over and I see this rental book, and I'm like, wait, I had 2 rental books, which means the other rental book is at the bottom of this box. So I need to figure out what book was a rental because I forgot. Oh wait. Oh my god. It was literally on the counter already. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I don't know what I want to do with that. I'll probably bring it downstairs. I don't know. I'm going to put this in my memory box. This is just a bunch of Polaroids from my film project. Ooh, I definitely want to keep this ruler. And then I am going to keep these books downstairs. I mean, I'm going to keep those books probably, but these are the ones that I'm actually kind of interested in reading. I feel like I should just end the video here. Basically, I'm done cleaning. I just have to move things downstairs, which would be kind of hard to document the process. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're going to SCAD, hi, I'll see you in the fall. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And to all my SCAD people watching this that I'm friends with, thank you guys so much for amazing first year, and I will see you guys in the fall. Bye guys.
But it's all